It's a hard, I would say, cardboard under. It is like, it has this somewhat of a nylon material that's gonna go where the dog is being safe. This could also be, sorry, my the wind is super strong today. This could also be used for delivery drivers to protect your seats from packages, from food or whatnot. I'm gonna set it up in my car. This is nice little mesh pocket in here. I'll set it up and I'll show you. So there's clips right here. You're gonna clip it over your headrest in the back. You're gonna tighten it so it stays in place. This you're gonna put over your headrest in the front. It has pockets right here, Velcro. The same thing right here. This right here can go like this. You can put the strap that's included, and you can cover this side of the door right here if you want, or leave it down here. And then we're gonna take this, gonna put this over the headrest. And like I said, you can tighten it if you want to. I'll show you a close-up as well. There we go. My car is now protected. So as I mentioned, you can take this piece and bring it up to protect your door right here. But I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. These go around. You tighten them with the buckle. This piece has the cardboard piece, so it's nice and not flimsy. It's nice and firm. Mesh pocket, which I really like. Mesh right here. Protection for the front. So this is the other side. We have a Velcro pocket here, and it's pretty deep actually, with lots of room. We have the headrest there. That's also protected right here. And we also have this for the door, side door, if you want to protect that as well. And you would just use the strap to go over that. But I'm not gonna need to do that, so I'm just gonna leave it as like that. Really, really nice coverage. I'm very happy, and if you guys are interested in something like this, give it a go.